We cut the garlic. Next, we cut the onion. Now, we cut the squid. We cut the codfish, or any white fish you like. We fry the squid a little bit. Remove from the pan and put in the canocchie, le canocchie, just to get some brown color, and so that we develop the font that is now sticking onto the pot. See these bits? Yeah, that's flavor. Do not throw this away. Nice. We fry the codfish. Just to get some color. Fry the onions and the garlic. Not too much. We add the mussels or clams. Cover so they open. We add some wine. Cover. It smells good already. We add passata. Shake the pan. Never stir with a spoon. We add the canocchie. The codfish. And finally, the squid. Season with salt. Quite a lot. Be generous. And add some water. Shake the pot. Add some lemon juice. Now, I'm making a thickener. Cold water. And 2 tablespoons flour. Mix and add into the stew. Nice. What this will do, the stew will not be so watery. It's gonna be a really nice and a little thick. Cover and cook for 10-15 minutes on medium. Sprinkle some parsley and olive oil. And you're done. I like to serve this with some polenta. That is awesome. We gotta try this. See you in the next video.